IVM.
Hello one, hello all. Welcome to the Diary of the Traveling Professor. And I'm Siddharth Deshmukh, your friendly neighborhood traveling professor himself. This diary entry of mine is focusing on the lockdown, or rather, the slow unwinding of the lockdown as this society unlocks itself. How about you though? Are you unlocking yourself well? Have you unlocked yourself during this lockdown, or have you unlocked yourself rather enough to take care of life after this lockdown opens up? I think the biggest learning that all of us can take from this lockdown, and it is directly connected to unlocking yourself, is the first step, and that is the realization of what I call the joy of boredom. The learning of boredom too. It starts off with unease. We're all really uneasy about boredom. Then it kind of begins to become a little weird because we start feeling a sense of space when we figure out that boredom is just a meaning that we've applied. But to be honest, it's just empty space that we are experiencing, and we can do anything with that empty space, and we can control it. So that's how you start moving from unease to control, and you start learning from boredom. And when you start learning from boredom, I think what tends to happen, or at least what I found, was there's a direct connect to it and a sense of personal responsibility. What do I mean by that? It means that because this world actually has been so easy and life has been so plentiful and peaceful and the rest of it, we are realizing it in hindsight, of course, but we've kind of offloaded a lot of the responsibility of being entertained, learning, growing, all the rest of it to the world rather than ourselves. And here we are, because of the sense of boredom that we have, when we have the sense of control, we start taking it all back and become more personally responsible. And that's an awesome thing to have, actually, the sense of personal responsibility. Based on that sense of personal responsibility, what else has happened? We've started putting, what I call the abstract ahead of the sensory. What that means, or what I mean by it rather, is that we've always been reactive to, what is happening around us. So we've been at the mercy of our senses rather than, looking at things one or two steps ahead, which will actually help us in life, like perhaps quitting smoking or working out or anything that all of us have been doing. So all of us have become wiser and more intelligent, hopefully, or at least some of us who've put the abstract ahead of the sensory, those two steps ahead of what you can immediately react to. I think that in combination with the focus on enjoying the process of it all, right, from being just completely goal-driven and outcome-driven to enjoying the process of it all, has been a real boon for many of us. I think, just on a side note, if the coronavirus was actually visible to all of us, I'm sure that a lot of us would have actually understood the imminent danger of it. But we don't. That's what I mean by sensory, by the way. We don't look at it as, an immediate threat because we can't see it. But over a period of time, we've begun to understand the danger of it, and we've begun to understand the strength of the human brain, that we can actually think in an abstract way and move that abstract knowledge into something that is useful to our lives. So unlocking yourself is all about looking at perhaps the process of enjoying things and not worrying too much about the outcome. Unlocking yourself is actually utilizing the feeling of boredom differently. Unlocking yourself is all about just making sure that you can think in a non-reactive way. I hope you liked this diary entry of mine. A tad philosophical maybe, but I guess you can't blame me. We're all unlocking ourselves, getting out of this lockdown. I hope that you like this. And if you like this, well, there's many more to come from me. If you like the lighter side of things, then I'm always making my Instagram stories, which are quite stupid. And on LinkedIn, I'm making a little more, let's say, rational sense. If you like podcasts like these, please go to the IVM Podcast app and download it, or just go to ivmpodcast.com. Until next time then.
I hope you enjoyed that show. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money. So we had a really interesting week on the network. Definitely check out some of the shows that came out there. We had interesting episodes on Cyrus Says, Advertising is Dead, Filter Coffee Podcast, Agla Station Adulthood, Mr. and Mrs. Binge Watch, Pesa Vesa. All of these shows had some really, really cool guests on, and there were some really good episodes out there. Do check them out. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Thanks, and please do keep listening.
Do you have a night routine? Well, everyone has one. And the to-do list usually looks like this. Brush your teeth, set that alarm, get into your pajamas, and switch off those screens. But here's one more to add to that list. Tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast for a dose of positive action and tips on how to build powerful mindsets. Episodes out every Monday on the IVM Podcast app, ivmpodcast.com, or wherever you tune into podcasts.